Job. Work that someone does to earn money or to help others. The cat thinks her job is knocking things off the table, and she's really good at it. Office. A place where people work at desks, usually with computers and papers. Offices have chairs that spin. That's the only thing I remember.
Work.
Something you do to get things done or to earn money. I went to work with Dad. I accidentally stapled my sleeve to the desk. Money. Coins or paper used to buy things. I traded my money for 5 gummy bears and 0 regrets.
Shop.
A place where you buy things. I went to the shop to buy milk. I came back with a pirate hat. Boss. The person in charge at work. The boss said, "Get to work." I heard, "Take a nap." Pay. To give money for something you buy or use. My dog stole my sandwich, so I made him pay, with extra cuddles. Meeting. A time when people come together to talk or plan something. I called a meeting with my stuffed animals. The topic, bedtime rebellion. Sell. To give something to someone in exchange for money. My cat tried to sell me a sock for 3 fish crackers. Buy. To give money to get something you want. When Mom buys broccoli, I always ask if I can buy a box of cookies to make broccoli time more fun. Bank. A place where people keep their money safe. I asked the bank if they take chocolate coins. They said no. Meet. To come together with someone, usually for the first time or for a planned reason. I got to meet a llama wearing sunglasses. Talk. To say words out loud so others can hear you. I tried to talk, but I had a mouthful of jelly beans. Customer. Someone who buys goods or services from a store or business. As the first customer at the bakery, I got a free donut and a speech about being too early. Product. Something that is made or grown to be sold or used. My best product is a crayon that smells like pizza. Help. To do something kind for someone who needs it. I helped the dog take a bath. Now we need a new bathroom.